夜中にふと、ライブの告知画像を見てしまって、そのまま眠れなくなったことがある。そういう感じ。今日また来た。浅井恋の実、稲熊ひな、勝又春、佐藤愛沙、中川智弘、松本和子、目黒洋食、山川うい、山田桃美。桜坂新16の指揮生区名による単独ライブが、6月2日と3日に、ララアリーナ東京ベイで開催される。これ、本当に嬉しいやつだった。指揮生が加入したのは、2024年の4月。君がサックというテーマのオーディションを経て、研修期間を含む厳しい選考を通過してきた9人。グループに合流してから、指揮生としての楽曲、死んだふりでのデビュー、ドキュメンタリーの配信、そして今回の単独ライブ、一つ一つ着実に積み上げてきた。そのドキュメンタリーのタイトルが、指揮生物語。今私たちにできることを、このタイトルだけでもうわかる。何かを届けようとしている9人のことがタイトルに全部死んでる。で、ちょっと聞いていい？過去のオーディションの周期を見ていくと、2022年夏に3期生、2020周年夏に指揮生という流れで来ている。ということは次、つまり2026年夏前後に何かが動いてもおかしくない。まだ公式の発表はないけれど、ファンの間ではそういう声が出ていて、タイムラインがじわじわざわついてる。それは今年の動きを見ていると、確かにそうなるかもって気持ちになる。指揮生の単独ライブがある。その事実だけで十分すごいのに、その先まで想像が走ってしまう。それがファンというもので、それがこのグループの引力だと思う。
9 members getting their own stage. That's what this is, and it matters more than the headline suggests. The fourth generation of Sakurosaka 46, Konomi, Asiya, Hina Inhengumiya, Haru, Katomosia, Io Sato, Tomorio, Nakajawaka, Kazoko Mostoro, Hinato Migoro, Ui Yamakawa, and Momi Yamada will perform at Lala area Arnia Toko Bay on June 2nd and 3rd in their first standalone live as a generation. They joined the group in April 2025. That is just over a year ago. The argument is this a generation getting their own headline stage. This quickly is not a small thing, and the way Sakurosaka has structured the fourth generation introduction is worth paying attention to as a model for how you actually build something. They come through an audition held in summer 2024. They were selected through a final judging period. They were revealed to the public one by one across consecutive days in April 2025 through the group's YouTube channel. They debuted as a generation with their own song. They got a documentary title in Japanese, something close to what we can do right now. And now a two-night arena run. The sequence is deliberate. The documentary title alone tell you the framing note. Who are but what we can do. These are different in there too. This other is about capacity demonstrative from within. These 9 members were introduced to the world through the second framing. The third generation came through a 2022 audition. Fourth generation came through 2024. The math points toward 2026 or 2027. Nothing has been officially announced, and to be clearly nothing confirmed is in a play yet. But the pattern is consistent enough that fans tracking it are not being undispensables. The fourth generation live in a text that is that actually real happening. The 9 members who have been in this group for about a year are about to headline an arena. The documentary said what we can do right now. Turns out the answer is more than most people expected, faster than most timeline projected. June 2nd and 3rd, go watch what they can do.